age of 17 or 18 years old. She passed away. Then we go to the university and get the bachelor degree.
Pardon?
Bachelor. Bachelor. 是硕士。
硕士。
Bachelor degree. So you're studying like now. I guess you're studying getting bachelor degree. 4 years.
No.
2 years. 他的硕士是年轻。
How many years you study?
How many years?
You should start right now.
We just university students. If we want to have that measure, we have to. 另外报名要怎么讲？我想不起来，反正紧张性不想起来。we have to. It's the other. It's another. Maybe we can choose the other university to study the
Bachelor.
Yes.
But now you have studied how many years?
4 years.
4 years, but it's bachelor, no?
There's no bachelor.
How it calls like it?
Just college.
College man.
College and so on. Oh, okay. Because in my university in my country, so after high school, you graduate from high school, you enter the university. For example, my university was the University of Architecture and Civil Engineering, and you have to study 4 years to get your bachelor degree, then you have to study 2 years, like me right now here, to get a master degree. So totally in university 6 years.
It's only 6 years. We have to prepare for the other years. Oh my goodness.
But what's your plans for the future when you finish studying here?
Maybe we'll have a, how do you say, 工作是 study or not study is not for it.
Job?
工作是 a place for work. And it's like more like a personal, more like for personal work.
But for example, you major communication design, yeah? So what should you do? What's your job in the future?
Maybe
For example?
Advertisements or like a poster or maybe anything like the package.
Marketing?
Yes, the logo. Anything.
So you think it's interesting?
Yes, like painting is my interest.
So what about architecture, such as architects designing building, construction?
Design, build.
But how do you think about the salary? Is it easy to find a job here with your majors? What the first salary?
I mean,
How much money are you going to earn to get after graduation from the
I
university?
have no idea with it, because in our subjects, what I mean is there are too many people who have already studied this, so maybe the salary won't be so high. Maybe 20,000.
What will be the first one?
20 or 23 is very high. Per month.
Okay. Shani, what about you? About salary?
How many you want?
How many you will get?
3 years.
Hmm?
3,000.
Because I've got a friend, she's a Taiwanese. She studied civil engineering in Taipei University, and last summer there she graduated from the university, and I asked like, what's the first salary for civil engineers, for builders? She said like it's 35,000-40,000 the first one.
Really?
For engineers.
Engineers.
For engineers.
Oh, okay. 他是说学士毕业而已吗？
So what's
他跟我拿硕士，他刚有说
qualified?
Master.
Master?
She's a master.
She's a master.
那 那正常啊。
It's normal.
situation.
Okay. And what do you think about PhD students? So, PhD. So, if you wanna proceed your education after getting a master degree, so 4 years is bachelor, so then 2 years master, then 3 or 5 years PhD, like a professor. How do you think, like, to be professor is okay here in Taiwan? It's a good job, or it's very difficult? Because my previous student said to me that to be professor it's very, very difficult to be professor here because a lot of competition, much.
What's different with professor and master?
Because master, so 4 years is bachelor, then 2 years is a master. So bachelor, 4 years again. 4 years you were studying different subjects like design, marketing, economy, management, and you finished, yeah? Different, a lot of. Then 2 years, master degree. What are you studying? You're studying like a narrow topic. For example, only 2 years about something about design. Only. You're like a narrow specialist. And PhD, actually, you will study at least more narrow, like something like design of only concrete buildings only, not another buildings only. Yeah. It's like a narrow. Because bachelor, you got a lot of courses, management, economy. Actually, you don't know what to do. Master, it's like a little bit narrow.
Answer some question.
Just look in the camera.
Oh my goodness!
Good English.
Just cut it off. No, just
That's okay. English.
Oh my gosh!
It's a conversation class. Of course, we have to think in Chinese and translate.
What do you major? Why is it
Major?
major?
Civil engineering. Master.
Master
Civil
for
engineering.
what?
Civil engineering.
What?
You in class talk with in English.
In English, professors speak in English. And a lot of students from Indonesia, in Iran, from Vietnamese students, a lot of.
Do you teach Taiwanese students? Or the class is only for if the students are all from
No, because why English? No, yeah, there are some Taiwanese students, but you have to understand English. Actually, they don't understand English good, but because professors, my professors, they are like graded from USA universities in America, so like 23 years ago, so they can speak English, and all the lectures is being delivered in English. So for foreign students, so master degree in like that. So of course, when you're studying master, you have to, for example, for me, you have to get 24 credits for engineers. It's about 8 courses, 8 subjects, like design, management, economy, architecture, 8 for 2 years, only 8. And you got a list. There is Chinese courses, subjects, and English courses. And you just choose, okay, I want this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, 8. And you have to finish 8. So the first year, your professor will ask you, please, this first year, you have to finish 8 courses, like the first semester 4 courses, and the second semester 4 courses. So the first year, you will finish all credits, and the second year of master degree, you're actually free. You don't have shankar, you don't have any classes. So you have to only write your thesis Qian Nida Lunga, like the second year. And then you got an oral defense or presentation when, for example, sitting two professors, your professors and two another professors from university, and you about 15 minutes in presentation, try to explain, show with the graphs, tables, your thesis you write in the whole year. Yeah, some kind of scientific work, scientific job, like design of concrete buildings, maybe just like, or like special columns, concrete buildings, something like that. It's not like a big topic, like the whole construction, the whole architecture. It's like a small. You just choose only one topic. The professor will give you topics. You'll choose only one small topics and just work with that. Work on it like 1 year. Actually, it's not too hard. It's actually, I guess, you feel more free than bachelor, because like first year you will have 4 courses every week, so it's only one course is like 3 classes. So Monday, Tuesday. So actually, you got right now more courses. How many hours you study every week?
Oh my goodness.
那我们算一下自己是。
对，英语是
How many hours? 几个小时
Maybe 25.
25. It's only 12. 12. 4 courses, 3 hours every course. 3 by 4, 12. It's only 4 courses. For example, design, economy, management, architecture. 4 courses, and each course it's 3 hours. So totally, it's 12 hours a week, like 6 hours.
Not many.
Not every course is
3 hours.
Most of them are
2 hours.
2 hours in bachelor. Okay. But totally 25, you said.
It's not, we are not the same subject, so maybe per hours is much more than
Actually, the time you got more time when you study math degree. And the most important thing that you 20 hours, 25. The most important thing that in math degree you will choose, you can choose your subjects. I want to study architecture, I want to study engineering, but I don't want to study economy. I don't need it. You choose yourself. So if you're interested, but now, right now, you don't choose yet. You choose your subjects now. Yeah.
some of them could be choose, but
Some of them couldn't be, yeah. But in math you just choose. Because you want architecture in design, you want communication in design, yeah? You don't need architecture, you don't need communication. So it's up to you.
他是觉得我们上线下线的。We have less courses, 25 courses, 25 to 60. 4 1 week. If you want to choose your.
I see, so it's quite difficult to make. Actually, in my country when I studied bachelor, yeah, there was like about 6 hours every day. No, studying.
Study
6
every
hours.
day during weekend too.
working? No,